Hi everybody, my name is Angel and this is my Java module project for the CSE 310. I built a small command line expense tracker that the idea was simple. I wanted something that I could actually use to keep tracks of what I spent and at the same time get more comfortable with Java. In this video I'm gonna show how the application works. Okay, I am in my Visual Studio Code. In this moment I'm gonna run Java. Here I'm gonna copy this name. I'm gonna paste here. Okay, expense tracker. Okay, first we're gonna see a simple menu here with 4 options. The first one is add expense. In this moment I'm gonna select the number 1. The category is gonna be transportation. I spent around $50 in transportation, and the day 2016-09, and the day is gonna be 02. I can see all my expenses in this option. In the number 2, I have 2 in this moment. I have 2 in transportation. I can see the total of everything: 250, 200 in food, and 50 in transportation. I can save and exit. For save and exit, I am using a CSV right here. We can see here, for example, I have food and transportation. I'm gonna explain how the code works in this moment. This is the first important is the expenses. This class helped me to build this object. First, we have 3 variables here: the category, the amount, and the date. We have the constructor here, and we have some functions that get me to get all of these elements from this class. I have the converter to CSV for the format that I'm gonna save after this function. Also, I have the expense tracker. The expense tracker is so simple. In this moment, I have the file name. In this case, is expense.csv. That is the file that it was created here. Also, we have the menu here. You can see in the main. When the application loads, I'm gonna show the menu specifically, but first I'm gonna load the expenses CSV. You can see here I'm gonna load that file. Also, we have the show menu, add expenses, show expenses. All of these are options of my menu. Show totals and the save file. This function helped me to save all my expenses in my CSV. Okay, this application, it was complicated because I am using a new technology. In this case is Java, but helped me to understand the principles of how Java works. Specifically, I have some problems specifically with the CSV, working with the CSV, the load files, and the save in that files. This application helped me to understand more how the command line applications works. Here you can see my README. My README, it's all your overview of my application. Also, you can see all the website that I use for develop this application. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.